Welcome back. You now know quite a lot about first-generation computers, so let's move on. The invention of transistors gave rise to second-generation computers. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes, allowing computers to become smaller, cheaper, faster, and more energy efficient. Although they still generated a lot of heat that led to computer damage, transistors were a huge improvement from the vacuum tubes. The development of the integrated circuit was the breakthrough of the third-generation computers. Transistors were reduced in size and placed on silicon chips. This development increased the speed and efficiency of computers, at the same time decreasing the size and cost. In fact, this was the era when the keyboard and monitor were introduced and computers first became accessible to the general public. The invention of the microprocessor brought in the fourth generation of computers. Thousands of integrated circuits were now built into a single silicon chip. What used to take up an entire room could now fit in the palm of your hand. Computers finally became available for home use through the creation of desktops, laptops, and tablets. Computers could now be linked to form networks, leading to the development of the internet. And microprocessors began to be used in other everyday products, such as mobile phones, TVs, microwaves, ATMs. To sum it up, fourth-generation computers are incredibly fast, energy efficient, sleeker and lighter, and way cheaper than its predecessor. Now let's recap. First-generation computers used vacuum tubes and took up an entire room. The transistors used in second-generation computers reduced power consumption and were faster than its predecessor. The advent of integrated circuits allowed third-generation computers to greatly reduce in size. This brings us to the present. Microprocessors brought fourth-generation computers to our homes and changed the way we communicate. That brings us to fifth-generation computers, which we can leave for another day. But for now, it's time to test your knowledge so far. Click on the Move On button to have a go.